Here we're given some equations that define a region, and we're going to rotate that region about an axis, and we want to find an integral that represents the volume. So let's go ahead and say y equals x plus 1 and y equals 1. We're going to rotate about the x-axis from 0 to 2. So y equals x plus 1 looks like this, and then y equals 1. And we're going to go from x equals 0 to 2, so that basically means we've got a triangle here that we want to rotate around the x-axis. So what we need to do is the washer method. So I'm going to take this strip here, and I'm going to rotate that all around the axis like